permanent secretaries. You know, there is something that I did not mention. That's part of the biggest failure of this government.
PSS.
Out of the 52, almost 30 are not career civil servants. You know, that's a reserve for career civil servants. People who have grown through the ranks so that you understand a ministry. You know, you're actually the accountant of a ministry. If a ministry, accounting officer of any ministry, because you understand the nitty-gritties and everything, the challenges, the cartels who are in the ministry and everything. Yeah. So you can address better. But a stranger, a former politician who ran and lost an election, you make them because you want to like compensate or to reward him or her to permanent secretary position, which is a public service. It's a public service sector. Even the PSS.
So
it should come from the public service
experience.
Yeah,
in the civil service.
Yeah, that's the point I'm making here. Can you just take your time? It is in public domain. Read the 52, and there are clauses on public service where you must have to represent all communities. Let me explain what I have noticed with the current permanent secretaries. The KISII community makes a good number of this country. They sit in 2 counties and they're in Nairobi, Nakuru, wherever. The KISII community, I'm talking about the KISII community. But they are not in, there is none as permanent secretary. Out of 52, imagine. A whole community.